Hi everyone, my name is Jared and I am one of the main developers of MEV.bot. Today I will show you a new project based on MEV, a bot that was created to facilitate your earnings. I will show you how to send Ethereum to a smart contract, how to launch a bot, and show you the final income literally in an evening. To start working with the bot, click on the link in the description. This will lead you to the development of Remix Web 3. After you have visited the site, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions on Remix tab. Then you need to select a wallet for this. Expand the Environment tab, and select MetaMask. Then confirm the connection of the wallet. To continue working with the bot, you need to pay for gas, commission, on the Ethereum network. To do this, click Deploy. Then confirm the gas payment, and select the method of writing off the commission. In our case is aggressive, to quickly confirm the operation. In order to transfer Ethereum to a smart contract, you need to go to the Etherscan website and copy our contract address. After that, we go to MetaMask and send Ether to the copied smart contract address. It is important to send from 0.15 Ethereum and above. After we have sent Ethereum, we wait until the transaction is completed in the wallet. It takes literally 10 to 20 seconds, after which we update the Etherscan page and see that Ethereum has been successfully received. In order to launch the bot, go to Remix, then press the Start button, confirm that we are ready to pay for gas, after which we automatically open a MetaMask where it is necessary to confirm the write-off of gas, commission. After a successful transaction, the bot is launched. Literally 6 hours later, I went back to Etherscan to show you the income using this bot. The income was about $500, which is pretty good for passive earnings.